Again?
I angry you louder.
Why?
'Cause you angry my sister Ate.
Your sister Ate?
Yeah,
And then, are you angry on me?
yeah.
And then, what you will do?
And why are you angry first my sister Ate? I did that.
Because your Ate is naughty.
Sorry, mommy.
Sorry,
Why am I gonna be the one to say sorry?
'Cause you are bad girl. You're not sorry, Ate. Yeah, Ate will be quite quiet.
Ate should be the one to say sorry, not me.
And why are you angry first my sister Ate? Sorry,
No, I will not say sorry first.
And why are you did that my sister Ate angry him? Yeah, I louder you first.
No,
Angry you.
no, I will not say sorry.
Oh.
Your Ate should say sorry to me
Oh,
first.
yeah, I give you my blue nana. Yeah, first. And first you are my Ate. Megania. Yeah, you are angry him. Yeah, I angry you first. And sorry him. Yeah, I give you my blue nana.
No, I will not say sorry.
Oh, and blah blah him first.
No, I will not say sorry.
And blah blah.
No, I will not love.
Oh, yeah, I give you the blue nana. Yeah, I give you the
The what? What is that?
donut
Hello?
pillow. Yeah, I give you all. Yeah, it's for Ate.
Why do you love your ate? Do you love your ate?
Yeah, you're not mommy.
Not mommy. You don't love mommy anymore.
Yeah, I give Ollie Ate my blue nana. The
Why is it? Because you don't love mommy anymore.
I give you more and more.
Do you love ate? What did mommy said always? No, mommy? Huh? That's mommy? Always said like, what?
Mama. You
She's angry all the time.
and you lock me first.
No.
Locked?
And you lock me first.
No, I didn't.
And why are you angry, my Ate? Huh? Huh? Sorry.
What did mommy
I
say?
joking.
What did mommy say all the time? What did mommy say?
Huh?
What did mommy say all the time?
Huh?
What did mommy say? What did mommy
The
say all the time? Give me a, let me see the hand. What was that?
baby.
No, show me the hand.
What did I say, Maeve? Maeve,
What did the mommy say all the time? Huh?